On today's video, I'd like to thank Bevancy for providing LED lights. We got a low beam and a high beam, and these are utilizing their new Z26 series headlight designs. We're gonna be installing them in my buddy's Honda Odyssey. We're gonna compare the before and after halogen to awesome 6K bright white LED lights. Also, visibility isn't just important on the road, it's actually also important in the shop so you can see what you're doing. So the second sponsor we have right over here hooked us up with some UFO high bay lighting. It's a super bright light that hopefully will light up this space when we're working on the R18 engine. We get nice and bright video footage for you guys. All right, what do we have here? We got a H11 in 6000K and a 9005 in a 6000K. Let's go ahead and unbox the H11. Owner's manual. I mean, pretty simple plug and play instructions here. Nice solid construction, definitely of some heavier material. So these are cool because there's no ballast attached to them. Everything is integrated. They are nice and compact to OEM design. So depending on where you're installing them, if you're having a hard tight space where you can't fit a ballast and all the accessories, this is your answer. Again, very compact. We'll compare them to the factory ones. They do have integrated fans built inside of them, which is the sleekest design I've seen yet. And you see a lot of copper right over here. You see a lot of copper here to help with the cooling. And let's check these out. Nice branding. Again, nice solid construction. Again, one-piece design, integrated fans that have the similar design as the other ones. LED, and you see the copper cooling fins here for heat dissipation as well. So a little bit different, but the same concept in general. Again, nice, compact, LED, slim design. Let's go and install them in the vehicle and compare them to the OEM.
What kind of car was it?
It was a Honda Accord.
Did you fix the issue or no?
No, I sold it with the issue.
Oh, look at the color difference.
Yeah, you could tell right away. Yeah, so this is just like a 6K is like kind of pure white, you know? So you're definitely gonna... I'm gonna blur out your plate for the video. Off. Flash them again. That's perfect, yep.
Daddy, now can you play with me?
I'm gonna take on out a little bit.
After that's you.
Is that wet? I think you said it's raining. It's not wet. No?
Okay, good. You can do high beams first. Okay, I'm getting it. Flash it a few times. Good. And, all right, go ahead. Just lights. So check this thing out. That's a lot of LEDs, pretty compact, flat design. So again, it has a hook, so you can actually mount a hook and chain. See, you can just hang it off from your ceilings, adjust it to the height you need. It actually also is adjustable. There's a couple of settings on here. It has a low, high, low, medium, high setting on here, so that's extra cool that you can adjust. And yeah, I'm thinking maybe we mount it up somewhere above this workspace that we have right here, just to give us the best light output. There we go. Just gotta wire it up. All right, I closed the garage door. I got it hung on the ceiling, routed to my extension cord. So I'm gonna just flip the switch on the cord. And there it is. Now that's pretty freaking amazing light output. Nice and bright compared to what it was previously. Like the workspace right over here. Pretty good. Nice and bright. Just enough. Not too bright. Let me go over and switch it from low to medium to high. So again, that's low. Medium. High. Super dope. Thank you guys again for sending this light out. This light would be great if you can get a few of these lights in your garage, mount them on the high bays here, because they offer a lot of coverage. So the higher you can mount them, the better the coverage will be. But that small light right now for the workstation here, pretty awesome. If you're interested in either the LEDs for your vehicle or the LEDs for your garage, I'll have a link in the description for both products. You can check them out. They offer different types of bulbs and different types of LED lights for shops, outdoor patios. I mean, everything you can think of. They have many different types of lights, so you can find the right set you guys need for your application. Again, links will be in the description below, and thank you both for helping out the channel.
I ain't here for the money.